In this lecture, we'll look at symbolic and hard links. Let's cd into the test search directory. If you don't have the test search directory, enter mkdir test search. And let's touch a new file named File A. Enter the stat command to get detailed information about this file. What we're interested in is the inode value. We can also display the inode value by entering ls-li. So let's edit File A by entering nano File A. And we're just going to type in, this is the text in File A. Hit Ctrl-O to write out and Ctrl-X to exit. Let's create a symbolic link to File A from File C. Enter ls-li File A. Again, check the inode number, and the size of the file is 27 bytes. And then do ls-li-File C, and you'll see that that is a smaller file with a different value for the inode. Enter nano File C in order to edit the symbolic link. And we're just going to enter some text. There is a symbolic link to this file from File C. Press Ctrl-O to write out. Press Ctrl-X to exit. And notice when we type in more File A, we get the same output as File C. So there is a symbolic link to this file from File C. Now if we remove File A, the original file, notice what happens when we enter ls-li File C. We basically have a broken symbolic link because the original file is no longer present. If we try to display the contents of File C, we'll see there's no such file or directory. You can also create symbolic links to directories. Enter mkdir testdir. Let's create a symbolic link to the test directory from the link dir. We'll cd to the link dir, and let's touch a file, File 20, and touch another file, File 21. And do ls to list the contents of the directory. We'll go up one level in the hierarchy by typing in cd ... and do cd testdir. Notice that in the testdir directory, there are the two files, File 20 and File 1. When we touch a new file, File 22, and then go up one level in the hierarchy by doing cd ... and enter ls linkdir, you'll see that in the linkdir directory that the files are present, File 20, File 21, and File 22. Let's remove the testdir directory by entering rm-rf testdir. If you enter ls linkdir, you'll see that this displays as a broken link, since the testdir directory has been deleted. Next, let's look at hard links. Hard links can only exist on the same partition. Let's create a new file, File 1A, and let's type in stat File 1A. And you'll see what the inode value is. Let's create two hard links to File 1A. Enter ln File 1A space File 2A. And we'll create another hard link to our File 1A, which is File 3A. Stat File 1A. And let's also look at the inode for File 2A and File 3A. Enter ls-li to see the long listing and the inode values. The inode values. Notice that the inodes are the same for all three files. Let's edit File 1A, enter nano space File 1A. and I'm typing in, this is my hard link file. Press Ctrl-O to write out and Ctrl-X to exit. If you nano file 2A, you'll notice that the exact same information is in file 2A. And in file 2A, I'm going to input, this is another hard linked file. Press Ctrl-O to write out and Ctrl-X to exit. Enter more, file 3A, and you'll see that file 3A also has the same information as file 2A had. If we remove the original file, file 1A, by entering rm space file 1A, because these files are hard-linked files and all had the exact same information and the same inode number, you'll notice that those files both have the same size and are unaffected by deleting the original file.